Okay, so we've got a 2020, first registered 2021. It's an MG MG3 automatic 5-door hatchback in a nice metallic red. Has the reverse camera, parking sensors, alloy wheels, tinted windows. It only travelled 1,100 kilometres. So unfortunately the elderly person that owned the vehicle no longer can drive, so she's on the market for sale. Take a look at the interior as well. So we've got 2 keys, we've got the cruise control, and then the Bluetooth connectivity, dual airbags front and side, and yeah, 1,197 kilometres only. Big colour screen, air conditioning, and yes, it's automatic. Now the interior seat trim, all in excellent condition. Front passenger just as good. Logh Books are there as well. And there's your back seat there, pretty much like brand new as you'd expect. Just show you inside the boot. Not a bad size boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.